Going down my favorite aisle, the cat aisle. Looking for cat food. I want to get the soft food. Let's see. These are real fish. Aren't those pretty? I don't know what that was about. I don't know what that was about, but I guess he wanted to pick up a little dust. Hope he don't turn around. Yeah. Oh shit. He doing donuts, y'all. This fool is doing donuts in the dirt. God, I'm scared to walk down there. But I'm walking. Alright guys. Getting those steps in for today. I didn't do a walk away to pounds today or the walk at home video. I'm just going straight outside. And I'm gonna walk for about 30 minutes, which will be what, 1 or 2 miles. And that's a good thing. That's a really good thing. Whoops, is there a car coming? Yep. So let me get over here. No mud today, so I don't have to worry about slipping. But it's a lot of dirt and grass. All that stuff. So we're good to go. So I was gonna say, I know that fool ain't behind me. There's a fool back there. Here he comes. And he might be right along with the guy who went past earlier when he was going to so fast. But I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if he does donuts up here. If he does, we know he's related to that other guy. Let's see. Let's watch. Nope, he actually turned the corner. He didn't do donuts. All right, I'm going to head over to my favorite part of the park, Kitty Land. Look, we got more mushrooms. And these got stepped on. Oh, wow. Oh, here's some more. Mushrooms. Wow. Alright, you guys, I found some funny looking things. I don't know what they are. Yeah, I did touch them. They so soft. But I don't know what they are. What are these things? What kind of tree is this? What is this? Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at the tree. This looks like something you'd find on an island. Oh, look. These are, I'm not going to eat them. Some type of berries. Interesting. Very interesting. Check it out. I'm not touching those. I don't know what those are. I did touch them, didn't I? I know it's not poison ivy though. But yeah, it's a bunch of wooded area here and a bet the deer come in here and eat stuff. I bet you. Might be one laying in here. Cause look at that. Look, there's a trail. You guys see that trail? There's a freaking trail going in there. Wow. There's another one. This is probably a deer path. Bet you they get to watch deers come through here. Interesting. Look at that weird tree. One side has leaves and the other side doesn't. Look at these pretty flowers. Ooh, look, 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 look. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, sunflowers. There, go up for a walk and get to see beautiful flowers. Little sunflower. Remember they were talking about how the sunflower's not facing the sun? That one turned its back. Now I'm getting attacked by dogs. Am I go past the house and a dog barking at me? What the heck? I got my look. I got my spray on me. I hope I don't need to use it. So far, so good. Got my different shoes on. Those other shoes, I threw them away. I got to the place now, my shoes so old. When they get messed up, guess what? They go in the trash. Tell me that ain't a police car right there. That's not a police car right there. I know it looked like one, but it's not. There's another dog barking at me. But he's indoors, so he can't get me. That looks like a cop car. Be a new house. Nice. Yep, it is. It's brand new. Pretty. Slow down, kids that play. Deer in the yard, deer in the yard. Gotta get my favorite color flower. Purple, purple, purple. She's just protecting you. It's alright. It's okay, kitty. I'm not gonna hurt nobody. Hey, cutie. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Go home, Ivy, go home. Yep, might be tired of this wildlife. You guys, I just got back in from my walk. I just got back in. I walked 3,457 steps today. And that was just outside walking. Had me a great time. But wow, now I know why I stay inside. Dogs all over the place. My last encounter with a dog was a blue or gray and white pit. Name, I forgot what the name was. The girl was watching the dogs for her aunt. The dog got out. I asked her, does she bite? She said, I don't know. So I had my little camera thing and I was pushing it in the dog's face. I'm like, oh my God. Because I've been bit before. So I was like, don't let that dog get near me. Because I know how dogs are. When they scared, they will bite. So I just kept pushing the dog away. She was asking me about a leash and all this stuff. And that was scary. So I warned a couple of people walking that way to watch out for a loose dog that somebody doesn't know if the dog bites or not. Oh, she had a dog in her hand, a dog loose. That was scary. Anyway, I got my walk in. I'm burning up, but I feel good, other than those dogs. And you guys, we got a great video. So you take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.